Hi, welcome to threesixty.tours. I'm Hadi. Today we're going to be seeing some tours and how to make unique Matterport tours like this one or this one, how to combine several Matterport tours. And this is one of my favorite tours. It's of Trinity College in Dublin. Again, they don't have a 360 drone shot, a 360 panorama. They just have a regular 2D image, as you can see here. And what they've done is they've combined all these Matterport tours. This college is made up of several buildings, right? So how do you get all of that under one tour? And that's where, again, we come in as threesixty.tours. This is, for example, the business school, and somebody can come in and they can view the the entire business school. They look at it here, and well, it's a nice building. They come in, they can view whatever section they want of it. And when they close it, they're back where they started. And it gives them a nice perspective of the entire tour. So every time you see a 3D tour, that's a Matterport tour. These tours here are just the regular 360 images, or these circles here are regular 360 images. So let's look at this one, for example, the long room. This is, again, a Matterport tour. And you go into the long room. And oh wow, this is a very long room. Okay, so we can go into the long room and you look at it, and wow, this is a very beautiful building. So you can look around. Oh wow, what a nice building. And you go in and once you're done with the tour, you close it. And you're back here. What I liked about this is that they've put a map. So this is actually the tour map. So let's say, you're looking at one of the 360 images. You're not looking at the Matterport tour. You're looking at the 360 panorama. You're in here. And this is just a regular 360 panorama taken by a 360-degree camera. Once you're done here, you can click on the map and visualize everything again. Okay, the other option would be to open the tray and click on the aerial shot here, and you're back to where you started. So now what happens is that the university, if you're pitching to this university, say, look, I can make you a beautiful tour of the entire university with all its buildings, you can pitch it under one link. Instead of sending them 7 or 8 different links, you could just give them one link, and they come in here and they have their entire university under one link using 360.tours. Okay. Again, you can add videos, you can add external links, you can add a lot of stuff with our software. And this is a Matterport tour that they've combined with a beautiful drone shot. So you see here, they've added a nice drone shot, and they click on you. If you click on the Matterport tour or the link, you come in here, and it's just your regular tour. You can tour the house the way you like. Go into it, you can see the dollhouse. And what they've done here is they've added several nice 360-degree pictures to the tour as well. So you can take a look at it. And then once you're done with the tour, you close it. And you see here, this is a beautiful drone shot that gives a nice perspective to whoever's viewing the tour. It gives them a nice view of the beach. It gives emphasis that they live next to the beach. The house is next to the beach. They've added this drone shot. In fact, they've added 2 drone shots. If we go into this one, you'll see another beautiful drone shot here, which makes the tour all more interesting, right? Look at this beautiful shot here. So you could do stuff like that on threesixty.tours. You can easily add a Matterport tour and create a drone shot like that to give a better perspective of the house. And this works out well when you're doing a luxury house. You can also add a video here. I'm not going to show you how to do it on this video. Maybe on the next one, I can do a demonstration of how to add like an intro video here. People can come in. If you're pitching to a real estate agent, they can add their video here and showcase their beautiful property. Now let's go to the next tour. And the next tour is of a luxury hotel, and it's a large space. And what they've done here is that they've combined around 7 or 8 different Matterport tours into one. So this is, not a 360-degree image. So on the first tour, we had a nice, beautiful drone 360-degree image. On this one, we have a drone shot, but it's just a 2D image. All right, so you can do that too. You don't have to have a 360 image, except that when you put When you combine all these tours into one, it gives it a nice perspective. If you're pitching to a hotel or to a university or a college, they don't want you to give them like 8 different links. All right, they want you to give them one link to their entire tour. And with 360.tours, you can do that with our software. You could just very easily add all of these Matterport tours and combine it into one. Like this one, for example, is the carriage house. Here, when you click it, it opens in a new window and you go into the Matterport tour, and whoever is looking at the tour can view in everything. They can look at the dollhouse again. Once they're done, they can go back to the tour and see the entire hotel from here. What I don't like about this tour is that it opens in a new tab. I wouldn't recommend you do that, and I'll show you on the next tour how you can have them open in the same tab, but it open up here. And so you see, if you wanted to see, for example, the garden here, you go in and it showcases the garden, and whoever is viewing it, again, can look at whatever they want from this part of the tour, close it, and go back to the full hotel tour. And this is essential if you're pitching to a large space and you want to create a tour for them. You can combine everything under one roof by using our software. So let's go on to the next tour. So here what you can do is, this is another virtual tour of the London Imperial College. And again, they don't have a 360 image, so they've used a 2D. And they have like 7 or 8 different buildings, and they've combined all of them into one tour. Again, every time you see a 3D tour, that's a Matterport tour, and the circles that have nothing written on them, that's a regular 360-degree image. So for example, if you wanted to see the inventions room, it opens in the same window. People can come in here and look at the space outside, go into the inventions room, tour it, see what they want with it. And then, once they're done with it, they can close it, and now they're back here. So you see, these guys didn't put it as a map. They just put it as, a regular image. You can see any one of these Matterport tours. You can also go into here, for example, and see the 360-degree image here that they've added. Once you're done, since there's no map, they can open the tray and look at more 360-degree images, that are available, or they can just go back to the original picture right over here. Okay. What I also liked about this is that they put a link. This is their accessibility statement. So when you click on it, it opens a new window. You go to their website, and this is a statement, I don't know, about accessibility, I guess, so you see here, it's one link for the entire tour. You don't have to have like 7 or 8 different links. It's one tour that they've added on their website, and it brings them here, and you can showcase the entire property. This is essential if you're pitching to a hotel or a college. Again, they want one link. They don't want 7 or 8 different links. So it gives you a sort of edge on your Matterport tours and helps you create unique Matterport tours.